Hello everyone, I am Srishti Singh from Bareilly UP scored 608 marks in NEET 2019.
My name is Akash Chaudhary. I am from Agra, UP. I scored 658 marks in NEET 2019 with an All India rank of 608.
My name is Tanish Taneja and I'm a NEET Prep student. My All India rank was 6061 and 608 marks in NEET 2019.
Myself Pooja Kulhade. I am from Chinwara, MP. I am a student of NEET Prep and I scored 619 marks in NEET exam 2019 with a rank of 4206.
मेरा नाम सिद्धांत साहू है। मैं भुवनेश्वर उड़ीसा से हूँ। मैंने इस साल नीट में 617 स्कोर किया with rank 4438.
Hi guys, my name is Hardik and I'm from Delhi. I scored 653 marks in NEET 2019.
Hello guys, this is Marshi from Hyderabad, Telangana. My NEET 2019 score is 617 with an All India rank of 4469.
If I tell you about my journey, I decided to become a doctor when I was in 6th class and I was first introduced to the biology subject. I found it very interesting and the whole idea of helping others through this profession really became a great push for me.
It was in my 9th grade when I firstly got exposed towards the real biology and I developed my keen interest in biology, and this was the time when I decided that yes, I want to pursue biology in my further education and want to be a doctor.
मैंने 6th स्टैंडर्ड में डॉक्टर बनने का सपना देखा था एंड इस सपने को पूरा करने के लिए बहुत सारे अप्स एंड डाउन्स भी देखे, जैसे फिजिक्स मेरी वीक लिंक थी एंड उसको अच्छा करने के लिए अगेन मेरे को यहाँ पर क्वालिटी क्वेश्चंस मिले। मैं प्रैक्टिस पे प्रैक्टिस बढ़ाता जाता था, मल्टीपल रीडिंग्स करने की कोशिश करता था एंड ताकि इससे ज़्यादा टाइम तक मेरे ब्रेन में चीज़ें रिटेन हो सके। I want to thank the entire NEET Prep faculty for that. And
coming back to my NEET preparation, biology was one of my weakness because I would always get confused between any two options of a given question. Luckily at that time I came across through some of the videos of NK sir and I found his way of teaching very interesting.
So when you start your journey of preparing for NEET, then you don't have to just study biology, but also you have to go for chemistry and physics. And the subject that I found really difficult was physics. Reason being that physics is not that easy because you can't just learn it. Every question itself is a different one and you need to have a different approach toward a particular question. So the way I overcame this difficulty was that I used to make certain short notes for every particular chapter for both physics as well as physical chemistry, and I used to also bookmark all the questions which I was not able to solve in my first attempt, and then I used to get back to that question whenever I get the time. In this way I enhanced my ability to solve physics, and this is how I overcame the difficulty that I had in physics.
मुझे जो सब्जेक्ट सबसे ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट लग रहा था वो बायोलॉजी था। पिछले साल मेरे नीट में बायो का स्कोर 234 रहा, जो कि बहुत ही डाउन स्कोर है। पहली बार नीट प्रेप के प्लेटफॉर्म के बारे में मेरे को कपिल सर और एनके शर्मा सर के ऐड से पता चला था। उसके बाद मैंने कुछ ट्रायल कोर्स किया, उससे मेरे को बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला। फिर उसके बाद एनके शर्मा सर के वीडियो तो अच्छे थे ही, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ वीडियो में वो जो भी करने को बोले थे उसको मैंने ढंग से किया और एट द एंड मेरे को रिजल्ट भी मिला। इस साल मेरा नीट में 345 स्कोर रहा।
Then a question arises that how to decide between NEET Prep and other free YouTube channels. So the thing which I found good was NEET Prep, that they used to give practice sheets which were discussed in the live sessions and the interaction was also very good.
यूट्यूब में बहुत सारे फ्री चैनल्स हैं जो कि नीट की कोचिंग करवा रहे हैं, लेकिन मेरा मानना ये है कि वो आपकी सपोर्ट बन सकते हैं लेकिन स्ट्रेंथ नहीं, क्योंकि नीट प्रेप एक गाइडेंस देता है, एक शेड्यूल देता है जिसको कि डेली फॉलो करना होता है, और मेरे हिसाब से नीट क्रैक करने के लिए ये सबसे बहुत ज़रूरी है।
There are many free channels in YouTube which allow you to study through them, but I don't really like them because they are not consistent. But for NEET Prep, it is totally consistent, regular, provides you regular updates, regular schedule to do whatever is necessary for preparing for NEET. Therefore, I give more preference to NEET Prep as compared to those free channels in YouTube.
I got to know about NEET Prep from one of the videos. तो मुझे पता चला कपिल सर की वीडियो से। फिर मैंने अपने पेरेंट्स को कन्विंस किया इस बारे में कि आई शुड गो फॉर द क्रैश कोर्स because it would be very helpful if I do my preparation in somebody's guidance.
We all know that NEET Prep is an online platform and convincing your parents slightly becomes difficult. For me, there were also some difficulties, but when I came to know about NEET prep and the whole idea about NEET prep, I was really impressed about it. And because they not only provide you good coaching, but also good teachers, good study material, good live sessions, and everything you need to become a doctor, to start your journey of becoming a doctor. So that's why I told my parents that I want to be a part of NEET prep, and this is how I convinced my parents that so that they can allow me to be a part of NEET prep.
About convincing my parents for the online classes, I didn't face much difficulty in that matter as my parents were already convinced. But for those students who may face difficulties, I would like to say that have confidence in yourself and let this confidence be the reason why your parents get convinced for the online classes.
And final advice to all the NEET aspirants would be, यहाँ पर आपको quality content हमेशा मिलता रहेगा and मिलता रहा है. It depends on you and every individual कि वो कितना dedicated hard work put in करने की कोशिश करता है, क्योंकि it is all about perseverance in the NEET game.
My advice to future NEET aspirants would be to never ever panic when the exam gets closer, because you cannot afford to panic at that stage, as that will ruin up your years preparation. And at the end, just be calm, be cool, work hard, and always be smiling.